Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to view the results of an average point within MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So what I've done to begin here is I've created an average point on point 30 between 2 points here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the bottom left corner where my plumb bob icon is, and I'm going to select Survey Tools, and then I'm going to select the last option here, View Averaged Points. What that's going to do is it's going to open up my map screen where I can then pick a point that I know is averaged on the map screen or type the point ID in, or alternatively hit the list in the bottom left corner there. But what I'm going to do is, since I know it's point 30, I'm going to select it on the map screen and then click on select. And you can see here I get the results of my point averaging. If I scroll over here, you can see all of the information on the 2 points I used in my averaged. And down below you can see the results of these 2 average points, what my northing, easting elevation is, as well as my standard deviation, northing, easting, and elevation for the results between those 2 points. Since it was 2 points shot with the simulator, it's obviously not going to be incredibly tight. But what I can do is if I click on this, I can also change it to a weighted average by checking that box. I can store this if I make any modifications, or hit save if I make any modifications as well. In this case, I'll just hit store average for the point of the video so you can see it. I get that edit point screen, at which point I can hit store, and I'm brought back to the map screen to continue surveying or doing whatever I so please within FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.